So we have Hannah here measuring out our solid oils. And what was that just flew across the table there?
I'm gonna leave that there.
We're gonna try to make
Cupcake soaps.
cupcake soaps for the first time, you guys. So we're hoping that things are gonna go better. We started off with our clay soap that kind of got a little solid on us. Then we did good on our charcoal soap, and then we're hoping that we do even better on our cupcakes. We are going to put a little bit of this nice shea butter in here into these oils. Baraka shea, love it. All right, so we have 3 colors we're going to work with here. We're going to do a little bit of yellow, pink, and white in our cupcakes. So we have a pre-mixed in our oils from our batch. So Hannah is now mixing in the colorants. This is the white. She's going to mix that in for us. She's already done the hot pink, the yellow, and the white. Smells magical. We are now beginning to pour these into the cupcakes. And we are not pouring it all the way to the top because we're thinking we want to do a drop swirl inside of the cupcake. Now this is the first time we've made cupcakes, and we're already trying to take it to the next level.
Y'all also like a lot of soaps with black in it. That's why I think this is pretty.
You can hear royalty soaps in the background. She's our inspiration for today.
So I thought it would be fun for this video to start there.
All right, Hannah is now doing a drop swirl into a cupcake. Ew. And we cannot wait to see what this is going to look like on the inside. We're going to cut one of these babies. Don't you think?
That one looks like a flower.
That's cool. Oh, we just finished piping it. I'm sorry we couldn't get you a video of piping because we just got too excited. But for our first try, Hannah, what do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing first cupcakes?
They didn't fall over, so
I mean, not quite. I mean, we got some Leaning Tower of Pisas over here.
And you got a funky looking one.
Well, hello there. We are about to unmold our cupcake soap. Our cupcake soap, right? And we're going to cut it and see what's on the inside.
So these were our first attempt at them. See? It already looks amazing. It looks like a cupcake.
I am ready for the cut.
I've never cut soap before,
This is
either.
your first cut? Just keep going all the way down.
Oh. And just open
Nope,
it and
nope.
leave it.
Just pick it up now. We just want to see what's on
Holy
the
split.
inside.
In half.
Oh, I love
that.
Cute. Show it off all around town. Let's see the other side too. Halves and halvesies. Oh my gosh, that's so much fun.
It looks amazing.
That is so much fun on the inside of there.
I also like the yellow too.
Yeah. Okay, let's see the sprinkles on the outside. The glitter. Oh, so our cutter cut a little bit of the cupcake off because it was a little bit beyond the width of the whole cupcake. But how much fun is that?
Piece of yellow.
Oh my goodness. So when you use your soap, you get down to those other layers. You get to see what's underneath.
I love it.
So what do we think? More cupcakes?
Yes, please.
That's satisfying. Beautiful.